And from here we need to go here, and from there the saddle we need to catch, and from day 3, and we are in Jabarkhet, and there is a good trail out here. You can see the beauty around. It's wonderful. She's doing absolutely fabulous. Never climbed a mountain, but yes, she's doing pretty well. Till now, it's so much fun. Like, there's places inside the jungle and having a lots of fun. This you won't ever find in a city, and you won't actually get these things right beside the road. You have to walk, and that is the thing you need to do actually, to actually see the beauty, the majesty of the Himalayas. We have come from the low nook and we are continuing towards the Leopard trail, maybe in search of some Are you scared? So we have reached back to the place where we started, and it was a lovely trail. Not for elders actually, wo log ko taklif hoga. You can come with your friends and you can have a whole day in here. Like, there are spots I didn't wait, I wanted to complete this within 2 or 3 hours. If you wanna contact over here, this is the number where you contact, and this is actually a private property, so you have to pay a ticket. Jaberkhet trail's done. Right now we are in one of the oldest restaurants in Mussoorie, that is Hotel Nilam. This place has got a history, like there are people who have visited, there are very big persons who have visited. Even one of their family members has also played in Olympics. He was in skateboarding. So yeah, a historic place. The day 3 was really good. Nice trail. After that, chilling in Cloud End. And right now we are going to eat somewhere. It's almost 9:30 right now, and you know we have ate already many things, like we have ate pani puri and all.